The battle for power within the Zimbabwe's ruling party ZANU-PF has intensified, with President Emmerson Mnangagwa's supporters pushing for a contentious third term. The move has raised concerns about political potential constitutional violations and sparked tensions within Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Sanapinda mashoko ati kunoti panapa aiwa nhau aiwa yeconflict kana kusawirirana kana tension iripo pakati pemaleaders enyika ino yezimbabwe aiwa ichiintensify noti subscribe like turn on the bell kuti tinda muzimu ai unoendera mberi vachiti Mnangagwa and Chiwenga have been locked in a power struggle since 2017 when they ousted former President Robert Mugabe. Initially, Mnangagwa was expected to serve 2 terms and then hand over power to Chiwenga. However, Mnangagwa's 30-term bid has thrown his agreement into disarray. Mnangagwa recently hosted the deputy minister at his farm, which analyst Majara Jairus sees as a strategic move to solidify his grip on power. Jairus notes that Chiwenga's influence may be waning as evidenced by the ban of the slogan 2030 ED Anika Achitonga. 2030 ED will still be there. Chiwenga's absence from the meeting suggests he is no longer a key player in Mnangagwa's inner circle. A third term for Mnangagwa would raise serious questions about Zimbabwe's democratic framework. The country's constitution limits presidents to 2 terms, making Mnangagwa's bid a potential constitutional violations. Jairus draws parallel between current events and the infamous Cholocho Declaration of 2004, which aimed to remove Mugabe from power. This historical context underscores the gravity of the situation and the lengths to which political actors might go up to maintain power. Ndomasvika mudaitaurwa panapa zvionekwa kuti aiwa nhau yetenje ine yanambotanga nhasi yakatobvira kumashure kuchionekwa aiwa VP Chiwenga vachibuda mumainner circles emutungamiri wenyika nekuda kwekusaagreea naye panhau dzekuextenda power, but ivo previously vakawirirana kuti aiwa is going to serve for only 2 terms. Zvidze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Chatiri kuona kuti aiwa this power struggle aiwa munyika iri kutokonzeresa ende pave ava havachatokwanisi kutoonana zvakasununguka. Ndotombowa subscribe like turn on the bell icon.